kisses winter and Jupiter goodbye. Hey there, stargazers. I'm Dean Regas, astronomer for the Cincinnati Observatory.
And I'm Marlene Hidalgo, science teacher from Miami-Dade County, Florida.
And I'm James Albury, director of the Kika Silva Pla Planetarium in Gainesville, Florida.
Spring is really coming into its own during the daytime, but the night sky is still hanging on to some traces of winter. Let's show you.
We have our skies set up for just after sunset facing west next week, and starlight, star bright. The first star we see tonight isn't a star at all.
Does that mean my wish won't come true?
Nope, because it's the planet Jupiter, and Jupiter isn't the wishing planet.
Drat.
But Jupiter is very bright and beautiful in the evening sky and will be the first thing you'll see in the west after sunset. As the sky gets darker, Jupiter will be surrounded by some of the brightest stars of winter, giving us one last chance to enjoy watching them.
Let's start with the stars closest to the horizon, as they'll disappear first.
Just below Jupiter is Aldebaran, the red eye of Taurus the Bull. It will fade and disappear first, so try to find it as soon as you can.
To the left of Aldebaran, you may still be able to see the three belt stars of Orion. But if not, above them, the red giant star Betelgeuse will definitely still be easy to see.
And last, and certainly not least, of our horizon crawlers is Sirius, the brightest star in the big dog Canis Major. And it's also the brightest star in the sky. And with Sirius so close to the horizon, it will most likely be flashing and sparkling like the diamond in a jeweler's window.
Up above Sirius and completing a fairly obvious triangle of bright stars is Procyon in Canis Minor, the little dog. Then up to the right above Procyon are the twin stars Pollux and Castor in the brothers Gemini.
And to finish off our set of bright winter stars, look down to the right of Gemini for the bright star that's seen most often, Capella in Auriga the Charioteer.
And if you watch every night next week, these stars will drop a bit lower each night. Let's start on Monday, May 6th, Tuesday, May 7th, Wednesday, May 8th, Thursday, May 9th, Friday, May 10th, Saturday, May 11th.
Hey, look, there's a crescent moon, and what's that bright spot of light just above the horizon?
Let's go ahead one more day to Sunday, the 12th. And the moon is a bit fatter and has moved up and to the left of Jupiter, and that bright light is even higher.
That bright light is the planet Venus, making her return to evening skies after leaving them almost a year ago in late May of 2012.
So, let's go through that again. There's Jupiter and Aldebaran,
Venus, Betelgeuse, and Sirius,
Procyon and Pollux and Castor,
and ending our circuit with Capella. And next month, when the crescent moon rises in the evening sky, Jupiter won't be there to greet her. So be sure to catch this end of winter special now.
So this week we can see 4 of the top 10 bright stars in the sky. Sirius, number 1, Capella, number 6, Procyon, number 8, and Betelgeuse at number 10.
But 3 of those top 10 bright stars can't even be seen from most of North America. Canopus, number 2, Alpha Centauri, number 3, and Achernar, number 9, are so far south in the sky that from mid-America, like in Cincinnati, they never rise high enough to be seen.
But from Miami, I get to see them every winter and spring.
Well, isn't that nice? So, we really have here more than half of the brightest stars you can see.
And the 2 brightest planets. Not a bad way to celebrate the end of winter. But what do we have in the sky helping us to bring in spring?
Well, let's swing around and look east, and 2 more of the top 10 bright stars are rising higher in the eastern sky. Number 4, Arcturus in Bootes, and number 5, Vega in Lyra the Harp. And Vega is appropriately enough the brightest star of the summer triangle.
And we have another planet to add to the list. The ringed beauty Saturn is in the southeastern sky below Arcturus.
So we have 6 of the top 10 bright stars, 3 bright planets, and a crescent moon if you just keep looking up.